I'm here to address a video that I posted, I believe yesterday, in which you guys are completely attacking me now and saying that I basically don't know what the hell I'm doing. And I'm here to address that video and show you guys that I'm not wrong. So I made a hair hack video in which I was using petroleum jelly or Vaseline in place of hair gel or hairspray or all of that to kind of really get rid of any of my flyaways and really just smooth and make my hair look flawless. And so many of you guys did not like that. You guys were like, is this safe? I've used it and like I couldn't get it out of my hair for 5 days. And someone even commented saying I tried it and I went bald, which I know you're completely lying. I really want to address the comment of like, when you put it on, it literally does not come off, and is it safe? It doesn't work. Okay, first of all, you only need a small amount, okay? When I say small amount, you need like this much, okay? You don't need too much. And once people are like, oh, I used it and it didn't come out, first of all, how much are you using? You know, and number two, it does work. I'm gonna literally show you guys right now with no cuts. Here is my hair, all the flyaways, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply this on. And as you can see, it instantly smooths my hair. All of the flyaways are completely gone. Yes, it works. It's a freaking amazing hack. My hair does not look oily. If anything, it looks shiny and healthy. And for everybody saying like, oh, your hair's gonna look too oily, do you not use hair oil on your hair? And also, if you take a shower, it's going to come off after the first freaking wash. Trust me, it's not gonna be in your hair for like 5-6 days. And then number two, is it safe? You guys, people literally use this, like burn victims use this on their face. It's a really, really healing ointment. Skin, it's so hydrating, it's so healing. So yes, you guys, if anything, this is probably more safe than the majority of the hair products that you're putting in your hair. And yes, it works. If you guys try this, tag me in it because you guys, this hack is really, really good.